Assalamu alaikum dear students, class 8 students. We are today discussing the question answers from question number 4. In the previous video I have given you MCQs, fill in the blanks and answer in short. First question, give difference between thermoplastic and thermosetting plastic. So dear students, thermoplastic they become soft on heating, thermosetting plastic they do not become soft on heating. Example, polythene and PVC. In thermosetting, example is bakelite and melamine. Second question, properties of nylon. It is very strong fiber, it is wrinkle free, it is lustrous and highly elastic, it is light in weight. Write the uses of natural gas. It is used for running vehicles, it is used for power generation. What are petrochemicals? Write down their uses. Answer. Many useful substances which are obtained from petroleum and a natural gas are called petrochemicals. They are used in manufacture of synthetic fiber, polythene and synthetic rubber. Due to its great commercial importance, petroleum is also called black gold. What are explosives? Combustion reaction that occurs suddenly with the evolution of large amount of gases, heat, light and sound is known as explosive combustion. Example, when we light firecrackers, explosion occurs with evolution of heat, light and sound. Characteristics of ideal fuel. It should be cheap, it should be fairly cheap, easily available. It should be easy to handle, safe to transport and convenient to store. It should have a high calorific value. It should not leave residue after burning. Next question, question number 7. What is global warming? The increase in the concentration of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increases the rate of greenhouse effect. This leads to increase in the average temperature of the earth. This is called global warming. Dear students, how to reduce water pollution? Means we are asked two particular points. Washing clothes, cleaning utensils, taking a bath near water bodies such as lakes, rivers and pond should be restricted. Number 2, excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides should be prohibited. Dear students, along with this, you can be asked how to reduce air pollution. So how we can reduce air pollution? By using eco-friendly fuels like CNG and LPG, by growing more plants, also by using unleaded petrol. So you can add your own points over here and you can go for writing the answer. But you must know that how do you reduce water pollution? How do you reduce air pollution? Now we are shifting on the last question, that is answer in brief. So dear students, here your question is that what is corrosion? Give the reaction and give the prevention. So what is corrosion? The process in which metal is eaten up by action of air, moisture or a chemical on the surface is called corrosion. When an iron object is left in damp air or moisture for a considerable time, it gets converted with a residue, that is your reddish brown substance. This is called rusting. Reaction is Fe plus O2 plus H2O, that gives you Fe2O3X H2O, that is your rust. Prevention. Oil, grease or paint is applied on the surface of metal. A layer of another metal is deposited on the surface of the metal object by the process of electroplating. Dear students, your next question is give the uses of aluminium, carbon and oxygen. So dear students, let me tell you, you should know at least 4 metals and 4 non-metals. 4 metals, let us see. Gold, it is used for making jewelry. Aluminium, it is used for making aluminium foil. Copper, it is used for making wires. And you can say, you can add any another metal and you can go for writing the use of that particular one. So there should be the 4 uses of the metal you must be knowing, and similarly 4 non-metals. Okay, for example, carbon, it is used, carbon is a graphite, is used for making pencil, lead. Oxygen, it is used for respiration and combustion. Chlorine, it is used for disinfectant, okay, killing the germs in the water. Chlorine, okay. Similarly, you can go with the use of non-metal other than this as your nitrogen. It is used in the fertilizer. So dear students, you can write your own, but you should know at least your 4 metals and 4 non-metals. So here I have given the uses of aluminium, carbon and oxygen. So you can please note down these particular points which are given over here. Aluminium used for making utensils and electrical cables. It is used for making body parts of aircraft. Carbon in the form of graphite used in electrodes in dry cells. Graphite is used for making lubricants and lid for pencil. Oxygen is used in oxygen is used in the respiration and supporter of combustion. Dear students, the activity is quite important. Aim: to show that oxygen is necessary for combustion. Required material: a candle, matchstick, a glass tumbler and a plate. Method: light a candle on a table and cover the burning candle with a glass. Then I hope you are able to see the diagram. The diagram is given over here. Then we are going to write down the observation. We observe that candle stops burning after some time. The candle burns as long as oxygen is present in the inverted tumbler. As oxygen, that is air, supply gets cut off, the candle stops burning, means getting extinguished. What is the conclusion? Oxygen is necessary for combustion to take place. Last question. Harmful effect of burning of fuel. What happens if we are burning the fuel? Unburned carbon particles in the air are dangerous pollutant causing respiratory problems such as asthma. Incomplete combustion of fuel gives poisonous carbon monoxide gas. Increased percentage of carbon dioxide in air has been linked to global warming. Oxides of sulfur and nitrogen produced by the burning of coal, diesel and petrol causes acid rain, which is harmful for crops, buildings and soil. So dear student, here our syllabus is, we can say our revision is complete, and my dear students, please go throughout the things, and if you are facing any difficulties, any doubts, please clear it off initially. And I'm just showing you the previous questions over here, that is answer in short. If anyone has missed anything, please note down it, and therein there is your fill in the blanks over here. Fill in the blanks I have given over here. Then you are having your MCQs over here. So my dear students, please read properly, follow the instructions given to you and write it properly.